Good morning, guys! Ayan, nagsasaute si Mother for our stir-fry veggies. Stir-fry beans and carrots. So, ayan, nag-add na siya ng garlic and sibuyas. Ano na, magkaiba. Tagalog and English. So, ayan, nag na yung pork, which is our sahog. And then, mag-add na yan ng seasoning. And oyster. Of course, pepper, my favorite. Patis. Mag-add na din siya ng beef, bitchin and magic. So, ayan. And then, after that, lalagyan ng water. And then, papakuluan. And then, ilalagay na ang ating beans and carrots. Update ko kayo, guys. So, ayan, guys. Nakalagay na yung beans. Lagay na natin yung carrots. So, ayan guys, luto na yung ating stir-fry beans and carrots. So, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Bye-bye!